Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can change your password of your Kick account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Kick application. Once you have done that, you want to tap on the top right gear icon, which is going to be the settings. And over here, in order for you to go ahead and change your password, you want to tap on your account. And now there is a change password button. Go ahead and tap on that, and now you'll have to go ahead and enter your current password on top, and then simply go ahead and enter your new password on the second tab and re-enter your new password on the third tab, and simply tap on the save button on the top right of your screen, and then your password should be changed successfully. So if you thought this video was informational and it helped you out, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.